We have a new king in 2022 CCB European Top 16 Cup. Darko Djordjic made it this weekend. Congrats for the win, the energy and the vibe you put to the game. After breathtaking finals, Darko Djordjic of Slovenia and Honing of Germany clinched the gold medals in their respective men's and women's event at the 2022 CCB Europe Top 16 Cup. It was fantastic finish of 2 days battles in Montreux. Truls Morgard, Darko Djordjic 3-4. Darko Djordjic recovered from the 3-1 in reverse to win the final against Swede Truls Morgard, who beat Timo Boll just few hours earlier. I could not find the game for his service and first strokes. I struggled a lot before I managed to make my forehand deep and to push him, said Djordjic. For Darko Djordjic, 23, it is third appearance and second final, 2020, whilst for Morgard it is first. The 2021 World Championships finalist was a substitute player. He is number 7 in Europe, but had 2 Swedish countrymen ahead of him, and only got his chance when Matthias Falk had to cancel. Djordjic is the first Slovenian to win this event. He won the youngest final in the history of the top 12, since the two players being together only 43 years. Paulina Mikhailova, Han Ing. In the final, Han Ing overcame Russia's Paulina Mikhailova in straight games. The win came far from easy. I was down in 3 games each time until the closing stages. I had to be very patient, but I made mistakes by rushing and trying to finish the points quickly, said Han. Han was the member of the Team Germany that won gold at the European Games in Baku and Minsk and at European Championships in Schwechat, Lisbon and Ekaterinburg. In singles she got bronze.
Darko, congratulations, you're the new champion in Europe Top 16. The gold suit you?
Yeah, it was just amazing performance. Final was great match, amazing people here, amazing crowd. They were cheering most of the time for the Truls, but in my head it was just fight. They are fighting also for you, and I'm just really happy that until 3-1 I reached and won this 4-3 to Afton.
I think that you were very concentrated because they also cheered for you too. You didn't hear them, they also said Darko, Darko.
Yeah, I was quite really concentrated, especially from 3-1. I said I have to be more aggressive, I have to change something. I was actually not hearing them so much, but on the end, last point when I won, actually, it was just amazing, and I heard them, all of them, and I'm really thankful.
When you're on the edge, what are you thinking in those moments?
You just think about the point. You don't think about how you will celebrate or something. You just think how to win the point, especially against these top players. Nobody will give you the point easily, and I just set in my head I have to play same like before. I had 10-7, then I start to be more passive, but then I said, Darko, it's now a chance, it's never again maybe, so try to keep your head up and try to be aggressive again and try to win this point.
At the beginning of the week, if somebody would told you that you're gonna win top 16, what would you have said to him?
I would just laugh and I would say thank you for to have this confidence of me. But I was just from the beginning hoping that I can win, showing from the first match that I can really win, and I'm just really happy that I won for the first time top 16.
Besides the fact that you are really happy, do you really feel like the new king of Europe?
It's hard to say. I mean, we have really top players here. Timo Boll, Patrick Franziska, Dimitri Ocharov, who was not here, all others top players, I would say, but of course I'm one of them, and I just feel proud of this, and of course I will not stop with this. I will start continue practicing, and hope I will be here one more time, or even more.
Who you want to dedicate this trophy and this gold medal?
Of course to my family and to my girlfriend, of course to my coach as well. Everybody was standing behind me when I was in bad shape, when I was in good shape. They were cheering always for me, and I'm really thankful from this. But of course, I would just say one more time, thank you everybody who was supporting me from the beginning, and I'm really happy, and you could see this.
Are you going to celebrate a little bit tonight?
Actually not, maybe a little bit, but I have tomorrow already shooting for T-bar, and we are going to drive tomorrow to league match. So it's not be like before.
Tell me, please, in every language that you know, how to say the new Europe top 16 champion.
In English, you already said I'm the champion. In Slovenian, ja sam zmagovalec. In Serbian, I of course know ja sam šampion. And of course, I know a little bit Deutsch also. In German, ich bin champion.
Please, for the last thing, just send a message to all your fans and all ETTU fans.
I would like to say thank you for supporting me from the beginning, from the first match, from the first set, from the first point. I'm really thankful and hope to see you soon on the next matches and to supporting me again. Thank you.